1, a square has a side length of x. And remember that when we are looking the area of square, so the rule to find square area is equal side multiplied by side. So find an expression for the area of square. So we know it is side multiplied by side. That means x into x, which is equal x squared. So that is the answer of expression of question number 1. In this question, a circle has a radius of 8.75 centimeter. This is radius. And find the area of the circle. So remember the formula of area of circle is pi r squared. So here we have pi r is given, which is 8.7 whole square. And this would be equal to 237.8 centimeters squared. Next, question number 3. In this question, Nomi and Samira share some apples, and Nomi receives less than half of the apples. So draw a ring around the possible value of ratio of Nomi's share to Samira's share. So remember that Nomi's share is less than half. So if you check the second one, this one is bigger, cannot be. This one equal, cannot be. This one first share, which represent normies, it is bigger, it cannot be. Only the first condition is durable, which we can say that at the normies share is less than half. Now we'll solve question number 4. Use the numbers in the box to complete the sentence. And here they are talking about rational numbers and irrational numbers. All those numbers which can be written in the form of A over B or P over Q is called rational, as well as recurring and terminating. Whereas non-terminating, non-recurring, and which cannot write in the form of A over B, that is called irrational. So whenever you have a prime number in the form of square root, that is called irrational as well. And here pi is also an example of irrational, whereas a number which can be written in the form of p over q, rational, and this is also rational. So here you can write 8 square and 19 over 6 is a rational number, and square root of 19 and pi are irrational numbers. Next, question number 5, and in this question the diagram shows us square shown on coordinate grid. As you can see that draw an image of a square after an enlargement of scale factor 3. Remember, scale factor is equal 3 and center of enlargement is 2 comma 3. It is mentioned here. So we have to find a new shape which is 3 times bigger than this. For that we will draw a few lines. Those will help us from center, pass through the corners, and then extend this corner. So now remember, from center to corner we have one box. So as we know that the scale factor is 3, so it is 3 times big. Now we will count center to 3 boxes down. 1, 2, 3. So this is my point. Same as from center to the corner we have 2 boxes. So 2 multiplied by 3, 6. So 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the point. 1 to 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the point, and if I count carefully this one, so 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the correct point. After this, we will connect all these points with the help of scale, and that is our required enlarged shape. I hope so it is clear. And then we can write their coordinates as well. This is 8 comma 9. This is minus 1 comma 9. This is 8 comma 0, and here we have minus 1 comma 0. Remember this question, the first part, which you can see that the bar chart is a relate, and that will help you to complete the pie chart in second. So the bar chart shows numbers as well as large potatoes in a sack. So here we have number frequency, that means the number of potatoes, and the other side we have size of potatoes, small, medium, and large. So here we have 6, then 10, and large we have 8. It means total potatoes we have 6 plus 10 plus 8, which is equal 24. And remember, we have to do the work for pie chart. So one they have done for us for small, but look how they find out small. For small, we have 6 out of 24 as we are looking in 360 pie chart. So that means multiply by 360, you will get 360 divided by 24. That gives us 15, and 15 multiplied by 690. So first answer is 90. And then for medium, we can say that it is 10 over 24 multiplied by 360. So here 15. So 15 into 10 gives us 150. These are degrees, okay? And lastly, we have large. So for large, we have 8 over 24 multiplied 360, which is equal 24 can cancel 360, so 15 multiplied by 8, it is 120 degree. So it means you can complete the rest with the help of protractors. So if you draw a line, this shows 90 degree, and we have to show 120. So this is kind of 120, and then the rest will show the 150 as well. So we can say that this one part shows large, and large is basically 120 degree, and this is 150 degree, and it shows medium size of the potato. So we have completed. Here I already mentioned it is 90 degree. Okay, in this question we basically, this is not to scale, and we can think about alternate and corresponding angles. We have parallel lines, as you can see that, and we have two transversals. Those will help you to say which angle is 70. So remember, whenever you have two parallel lines and the transversal, the same side of the transversal, one interior, one exterior, that shows corresponding angles. And if both are interior but opposite side of the transversal, those are alternate angles. So here A and 70 are opposite angles, so vertically opposite angles are equal. So A is also 70, and then you can check 70 and D, as they are the same side of the transversal, one interior, one exterior, so this is also 70. So only A and D are 70. So this B can be 110, but no need to write those answers because we are looking only the angle. Draw a ring around all the angles that must be equal to 70. So A is 70 and D is 70. E cannot be 70. B is 110, as well as C is less than 70. So only A and D are the correct answer, which shows 70 degree, as well as the rule we apply, vertically opposite angles as well as corresponding angles. That will help us to say D is 70 and A is 70. This is basically was next question. Here are three scatter diagrams. So as you can see that diagram A, diagram B, diagram C all shows different scenario. Basically, the scatter diagram is shows the set of two different datas of on the same graph. Okay, like for example, in one class, if we have 10 students and we are going to show the number of marks of science subject as well as math subjects, both set of data we show on the same graph. That means it shows a scatter diagram which shows the relation as strong positive, negative, no correlation when it is. So if you check carefully, the first one, the line, if you want to draw best fit line, it goes down. So when the best fit line goes down, it means it's negative correlation, and the points are far away from the line. That means weak negative correlation. And if you check this one, the best fit line goes from left to right up. It's positive and strong positive. Why? Because the points are very close to the best fit of line. Here the points are not very close and we are not able to draw best fit of line. So in this diagram of C we can say that there is no correlation. So next, you have to match diagram A, B, and C. Draw a line to match. So diagram A is negatives, weak negative. You can weak negative, B strong positive, and C no correlation. This one. So these are the answers. I hope so it is clear. Next, we have question number 9. And in this question, two bags, each containing 4 balls. The balls in bag A are numbered 1, 3, 5, 6, and the ball in bag B are numbered 2, 3, 4, and 6. Ahmed picks a ball at random from each bag, so he adds together the number on 2 balls. So like as you can see that they added 3 plus 5 gives you 8, so it means 2 plus 1 3. So first of all we will add all this, so it will help us to complete the next step. Show probability of total score in even and probability of total score in more than 8. So we'll show with the help of table. 6 and then 9, 5, 11, and then 6 plus 6 12. So if you check carefully, the total outcomes are comes equal 16. And if we check the probability of even scores, 4, 6, 8, then 10 and 12 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So if you say probability of total score is even, total score is even is equal 6 over 16. And second, the probability of total score is more than 8. More than 8 is equal. If you check carefully, those are more than 8, 9, 9, 10, 12, 11, 9. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is again 6 over 16. So it means this shows that the probability of total score is even is 6 over 16, and probability of total score is more than 8 is also 6 over 16. So this shows that they are equals. Next, question number 10. And in question number 10, we will talk about angles. And remember here our definition of some angle. So interior angle of an equilateral triangle. So we know each angle of equilateral triangle is 60 degree, and interior angle of a regular pentagon. Remember this rule will help you. Sum of interior angle of any polygon, that rule n minus 2 multiplied by 180. So if we have pentagon, so 5 sides, 5 minus 2 multiply 180. So 5 minus 2 3 multiply 180, which is equal 540. And we are looking at each interior angle. So 540 divide by 5, that is equal 108. So here we have 108. And here in pentagon, each exterior angle, we have the rule 360 divided by n. So 360 divided by 5. And if we check the last one, D, each exterior angle, again, the rule is same, 360 over n. Now we have hexagon. Hexagon has 6 sides. So 360 over 6, which is equal 60. So it means A is 60, B equal 108, and C equal 72, and D equals 60. So draw a ring around two angles that add up to 180. So if you add B and C, that gives you answer 180. So your answer B and C. Next, find the sum of the interior angle of a seven-sided polygon, which is heptagon as well. So again, the rule is same, sum of interior angle of seven side shape is n minus 2 multiply 180. So 7 sides, 7 minus 2 multiply 180. So 5 multiply 180, which is equal 900. So 900 degree. I hope so it is clear. Thank you.